10 creative ways to utilize your patio deck box outdoors. Discover deck boxes and multiple uses for both indoors and out. A patio deck box can have multiple uses for both indoors and outdoors. Besides keeping your items secure and dry, it can be used for other things. Here are just a few ways to use your patio deck box outdoors. Here are 10 creative ways to utilize your patio deck box outdoors. Patio deck boxes are versatile outdoor storage solutions that not only keep your belongings organized but also add aesthetic appeal to your outdoor space. Beyond their primary purpose of storing cushions, gardening tools, and outdoor accessories, these boxes can be utilized in various creative ways to enhance your patio experience. We'll explore 10 different ways you can make the most of your patio deck box outdoors. Use your deck box for patio seating. Transform your patio deck box into a functional seating option by adding a cushion or two on top. This provides an extra seating area for guests during gatherings or a cozy spot for relaxation on a sunny day. Choose weather-resistant cushions to ensure durability. Garden planter ideas. Give your patio a touch of greenery by converting your deck box into a garden planter. Fill it with soil and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or small shrubs. This not only adds visual appeal but also maximizes your gardening space. Outdoor bar for the patio. Turn your patio deck box into a makeshift outdoor bar. Stock it with your favorite beverages, barware, and some snacks. This creates a convenient and stylish spot for entertaining guests during outdoor parties. Use your deck box for patio seating. Transform toy storage for kids. If you have children, use the patio deck box to store their outdoor toys. This keeps the play area tidy and ensures that toys are easily accessible for your kids. The sturdy construction of the deck box makes it a durable option for withstanding the elements. Pet supplies and outdoor items. Create a dedicated space for your furry friends by using the deck box to store pet supplies. Keep pet food, toys, leashes, and other essentials neatly organized and easily accessible for a hassle-free outdoor experience with your pets. Ice chest for those hot days of summer. For those hot summer days, repurpose your deck box as a DIY ice chest. Fill it with ice and your favorite beverages, turning it into a convenient cooler for outdoor gatherings. This is a practical and stylish solution for keeping drinks cold. Outdoor tool storage. It's an ideal way to organize and protect garden tools, ensuring they are available all the time. Store your work tools or garden tools in the outdoor storage. Summer shoe storage. Keep your outdoor space clutter-free by using the deck box as a shoe storage solution. This is especially useful if your patio is a high-traffic area. Encourage guests to store their shoes in the deck box to maintain a clean and organized environment. Seasonal decorations and displays. Switch up your patio decor with the changing seasons. Use the deck box as a display for seasonal decorations, such as pumpkins in the fall or string lights during the holidays. This adds a festive touch to your outdoor space. Games, cushions and more. Store outdoor games like frisbees, badminton sets, or bocce balls in your patio deck box. This turns your outdoor storage into a convenient game station, encouraging family and friends to engage in fun activities whenever they visit. Patio deck boxes are not just storage solutions, they are versatile additions to your outdoor space. By thinking outside the box, you can repurpose these containers in creative ways that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Whether you choose to create additional seating, a garden planter, or an outdoor bar, the possibilities are endless when it comes to making the most of your patio deck box.